Hi, do you have a Google Sheet filled with data and you wish you could turn those rows into neat and ready to use PDFs like invoice, receipt, or certificates? Well, in this video, I will show you exactly how to do that using the PDF Maker app. This is super simple, so let's get started. First, we will go to the setting area and here we will connect our Google. Make sure you connect the right Google account where you have all the sheet with the required data. Give all the necessary permission and click on OK. As you can see, our Google account is connected successfully. Now we will head over to the create section. Click on this plus icon. Now we will give the template name. For instance, I'm using invoice. Now here the data sources are Google Sheet. We'll click on that and then next. Now we will select the Google Sheet in which our data is stored. So I am choosing invoice data and click on select. We'll click on the source sheet, that is sheet 1 for me. And here I am using the primary column to be customer name. Select the output folder. I am selecting this. Here I will receive the output. Now click on next. If you want to change the date, time, you can do that. I'm keeping it same and clicking on next. So now as you can see, our data is being fetched from the Google Sheet. Now before we proceed with the template, I'll show how my sheet actually looks like. So here you can see the invoice number, customer name, email, product, quantity, everything is there. And now we are going to create the templates based on this data here in our template. So this is the basic template outlet which I have created for this video. And now we will just copy paste the allocated placeholder to their respective places. Let's date, then we'll do the customer name, email, and likewise we will add all the details. Now everything is done. We'll click on save. Template is saved successfully. Now since our template is saved, we will go back to the dashboard. And now this is the template which we made right now, and we'll click on generate. I want all the PDFs, so I will click on generate PDF. PDFs are generated. Now let's see how the invoices are looking. As you can see, all the data are fetched directly from the Google Sheet, and this is the final output of the template. So whether you are sending invoice to the customer, creating certificate for the student, or generating report for the survey, PDF Maker helps you do it in minutes without needing to copy paste anything and creating the template separately for each and every profile. I hope you understood this whole process. Thanks for watching.